What's up, guys? I'm John Pershuren with the Affiliate Marketing Cookbook, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to pick a niche, how to build an email list, and how to find an audience to sell to. Let's get started. When you are picking a niche, you need to pick something that is in line with what you love and are passionate about. What is the thing that is most meaningful to you? Something that you enjoy doing, something that makes you feel good, something that you use yourself, and those make it easier to sell and more ethical. Um, Two questions that you want to keep in mind when you're picking a niche is, has someone made $1 million business around that idea, which is most likely yes, and what are they doing that you are not doing, and then model them. The big three, there are three main niche categories: health, wealth, and relationships. Now, we have to figure out how we are going to tie in our marketing message to one of those categories of your choosing. Now, you need to think with an end mind. Is it a physical product? Is it a service? Is it a software? Is it a membership platform where people are paying you a monthly fee? From there, you are going to have to do a little bit of work. You are literally going to go to Google and type in your niche name, like, for example, weight loss affiliate program. And then it will give you a whole list, and you will see all of the weight loss affiliate programs that are out there. Next, you need to create a bridge, create content to bridge to your offer, and build an email list. If you aren't building an email list, you aren't building a business. Now you're probably wondering, how do I build an email list? For that, you need two things. Number one, you need a lead magnet, which can be anything like a free cheat sheet, workbook, ebook, scripts, templates, or even a free training that you offer in exchange for somebody's email address. And number two is a way to capture that email address. For that, you will need a lead capture page or an email capture page. And I show you exactly how to do that, as well as give you two free templates in my video, how to make an email capture page. So check that out. Next, you need to ask yourself, where does my audience hang out? And then you need to create content to drive people to your capture page, whether it be through YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or even LinkedIn, whatever you choose. After that, you need to have a follow up email sequence so you can continue to nurture and provide value to your audience once they opt in. And then every once in a while, send them to your thing, your product or service, whatever your offer is. Two important details that you should always keep in mind are, who are the people that need this product and are easy sells? And then remind them to buy from you because they're going to buy it anyway. Okay, guys, now that we know that building an email list is essential to building or growing a business online, check out my video, How to Make an Email Capture Page, and get your two free capture page templates. And for more tips and training on how you can identify your audience and take them beyond your email list to your own community where you can continue to nurture them and provide them value, download my free worksheet, 7 Steps to Skyrocket Your Sales, and join my Facebook group, the Affiliate Marketing Cookbook. You're probably wondering what I recommend as an affiliate program. My favorite affiliate program is ClickFunnels. They offer 20 to 40% commissions on most products, depending on your affiliate level. It's one of the most ethical companies I've seen out there. And you can qualify to win your dream car, which means ClickFunnels actually pays $500 on your car payment towards your dream car. I'm also not only an affiliate for ClickFunnels, I use ClickFunnels Platinum and I use ClickFunnels for everything from my private domains to list building, email follow up, and my sales. I absolutely love ClickFunnels. I'm super passionate about ClickFunnels. I've seen how it can change lives, and the community and the support are unmatched. There are always people there to help you with anything. For building or growing any business online, ClickFunnels is logically your next step. So I'm going to hook you up with a free 14-day trial in the description so you can see how it'll work for your business. And get ClickFunnels from me, someone you know, like, and trust already, because you're going to get it anyway. So guys, if you like my video, hit that like button, comment what you liked, what you didn't like, what you'd like to see more of, and keep watching because coming up here pretty soon in the next few weeks, I'm going to be having a giveaway, and I'll explain more about that giveaway in the next video. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.